Hi guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're most definitely gonna do another dividend portfolio update. I am so excited. Like I said, the portfolio is gaining so much traction. Like I'm really starting to see growth. My income is just shooting up. The overall value of the portfolio is shooting up. I'm gaining so many more shares. It's so exciting. So I can't wait to share this with you guys. Wow, the tongue twister there was something nasty. But let's get into today's video. It's your boy X. This is my YouTube channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and most definitely like this video so you can keep up to date on everything that is to do with my dividend portfolio and just me in general. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a portfolio update. My portfolio is growing. I started with like $100 and I was putting in about $100 or $150 every week. And it just slowly started growing and growing and growing. Now I'm up to $500 a week. And it's not a race. You don't have to do it at the speed I'm doing it. You can go at your own pace. But the thing is to start. I know that's like the hardest thing. Everybody's just like, oh, I'm gonna do it soon, one day, at the beginning of the year, a couple weeks. Procrastination. The best way to start and to get into it is to literally just to do it. Like Shia LaBeouf, just do it.
Do it! Just do it!
You hear me? Like literally, just do it. Start today, and it will change your life. I promise you. But let's just hop right into the portfolio. All right, yeah, boom. All right, so as you guys see, my portfolio is sitting around $12,807. Big hype. Now, my income is around $917 annually. If I stop right here, my portfolio would generate me $917, and that's $917 will start to grow and compound, and it will slowly turn into even more than that. But currently, with the shares I have now at this exact moment, $917. Now, I know what you're thinking. I mean, that's not a lot, but it's more than what you would have if you didn't do it. And like I said, I'm still just getting started and I'm up to this. So imagine with a little bit more time, a little bit more money, a little bit more technique. Technique. The possibilities are endless. And I will receive this passively until I decide to sell. But I don't plan on selling, so forever, boys. But as you can see, we're talking big hype. Like, you understand how exciting this is. Like, my portfolio is really growing. But as you come down, you guys will start to see that I am accumulating a decent amount of stocks. Real decent. Oh yeah. One big difference in things that I did, and that would be I bought a large portion of shares, and not just any shares. It's one of the companies that I first started investing in when I first started my dividend portfolio. I truly believe in this company. It has the potential to be amazing, let me tell it. But I bought 50 shares of this stock here, OK, which is OK, but OK is the ticker symbol. Now, I had 50 shares and I bought 50 shares more, so this is the first stock I have 100 shares in. Big hype. But the reason I went ahead and invested a large portion to even out those shares is because I want to do covered calls on the shares. And what covered calls is just you give somebody the opportunity to buy your said shares at a price which you will set. And I did it, and my first covered call, my premium was around $45. So pretty much just for me putting my shares out there for somebody to buy, you get a premium, and my premium was around $45. So I made $45 just for giving somebody the option to buy my shares. Now I did set my strike price extremely high where I don't think anybody will ever attempt to buy it. So my ideal is to just collect premiums. I really want to hold on to my stocks for as long as possible. But it's just a way to make extra money on top of your dividends and just your capital gains. But so that is what I did. I think I invested about $1,600 to make that extra 50 shares. And I claim it to be worth because I bought it, and like I said, not even 3-4 hours later, I did a cover call and was able to make $45. And they did just pay me out a dividend like $46 for the 50 shares that I already had. So next time around in about 3 months, they will pay me a total like 96 cents per share. So times $96. That's how much I will be getting paid out from OKE now until forever, let me tell them. But they do gradually increase their stocks. They've been, not mistaken, they're like, how many years? Yeah, they're like 18-year dividend streak and 20 years straight. No, just uninterrupted. They're pretty known for paying out their dividends, as you guys see. And right now, the dividends like 94 cents per share. So for 100 shares, I will be paying $94 and not 96. But that we get that every 3 months until I sell. But I do plan on buying even more shares of these in the future. But I'm trying to level out my portfolio because it's very uneven due to me dumping so much into OKE. But it's worth it. Trust me. But yeah, as you guys see, like I did about 50 shares of this, pretty hype. But the best thing over that I'm extremely excited about is overall just my income. It was a significant boost to my income. As you guys can see, every 3 months I'll be making $136. I'm getting so close to having an average of $100 a month. I'm working on it. Trust me, it's coming. But like I said, as you can see, $93.50. I'm pretty much going to be receiving dividends for the company for a long time, and it's just big hype. Trust me, it's big hype. I got big things working, but as you guys can see, my dividend portfolio, I didn't buy. Mainly focused in on one stock this time, so I can get a significant amount of them. Like I said, so I can start doing cover calls. I plan on maxing out about 100 shares and about 2 to 3 other of the stocks that I have in my portfolio, so I can start doing cover calls on those too. And it's just a way that I can just double down to make extra money. But the portfolio is growing, and the reason I initially started this was for the passive income. And I know $917 a year is not like phenomenally big, but when I first started, it was at like $3, $5, and it's grown into $917, and the number is just growing and growing. And all I'm doing is, no matter what, I invest $500 every Monday. Rain, sleet, snow, I don't care what's happening, and you can too. Like, you really can. And I know it's tedious. I know 500 seems like, but like I said, you don't have to start with that number. Start small. Anything is possible if you really put your mind to it. But that's my portfolio update, guys. Like I said, do not forget to like this video. Most definitely subscribe, because I got another portfolio update coming. Like, I'm excited for Monday just to invest again. It's pretty addicting, but it's coming. It's coming, guys. Watch. But like I said, like this video, most definitely subscribe. It's your boy Action, and I'm out.